The Royal Mint is the UK's oldest company. We're the world's largest export mint. We create all the currency for the UK and numerous other countries around the world. Cybersecurity graduates from the University of South Wales make ideal employees for the Royal Mint for a number of reasons. They come to us with a great deal of technical depth, informed by a curriculum that's put together by NCSE and GCHQ. The university itself has a great reputation as won National Cybersecurity University of the Year on a number of occasions. The advice I'd give to any students considering a career in cybersecurity is simply to do it. I think come get involved, come visit the university, understand the options that are open to you. It's a great career path. I speak from experience. It's super interesting, very varied, and I think people shouldn't be intimidated by the technical aspects either. This is a broad church. We have lots of roles outside of technology, and we need people from all walks of life, all different skill sets. It's a huge growth area.